Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to change your domain name in HostGator, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, so let's jump into it. Let's go ahead and change our domain name right here in HostGator. On the left-hand side, we're going to go and look for websites. Let's click on this, and we will see a list of all of our websites. Now, once we've selected the website, we will see it's this one over here, and this is currently what my domain name is. We can go to settings. Once we are in settings, there's a few options right at the top of this page you will see, and we're going to look for settings again at the end. And over here, the very first option is the domain name and site URL. Here you can literally click on change. You'll be able to change the domain name over here, or you can again use a temporary domain. If you would like to purchase an additional domain with, of course, its name, you can go over to domains on the left hand side here and click on add a domain and click on buy a domain. This will allow you to buy a new domain with the desired name.